plot the ordered pairs 4, 0, 5, -2, -6, -3, 0, -1, and -4, 3 on the same xy plane. So here's the xy plane here. Okay, now they're not labeled here, right? But pretty much every hash mark here represents 1 unit. Okay. We also know, of course, that the horizontal axis is the x-axis, and the vertical axis here is the y-axis. Okay, remember, this is like a grid. Okay, so if we want to, let's say we want to plot this point 4, 0, what does that mean? Okay, so remember, every ordered pair, the x value always comes first, right? So pretty much these are like directions. Okay, so when we go to the right, this is the positive x direction. To the left, the negative x direction. And when we go up, that will be the positive y direction. When we go down, that is a negative y direction. So what is this ordered pair here showing? 4, 0. Right, it's saying we need to go positive 4 units, okay, from the origin. Okay, so we're going to start at the origin, which is 0, 0. We're going to go to the right 4 units. Okay, but what about the y value? The y value is 0, so that means we don't need to move up and down at all, right? This point right here, that would be the point 4, 0. So then what about the point 5, -2? Okay, so 5, -2. Okay, so this is saying from the origin, right, we would go 5 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the -2 means we will go 2 units down. Okay, so that would be the point 5, -2. -6, -3. Okay, so in this case, the x value is -6 and the y value is -3. So we would go then from the origin, we would go to the left 6 units, and then we would go down 3 units, right? So that point, the coordinates here would be -6, -3. We got 2 more here, right? 0, -1. Okay, so here the x value is 0. What does that mean? If the x value is 0, that means we don't need to move left or right, right? We're going to stay on this line. And in this case, we wouldn't go down 1 unit because the y value is negative, right? So that would be the point there, right? 0, -1. Okay, and then the last one here, okay, -4, +3. So in this case, what does that mean? We will go to the left 4 units. And then we would go up 3 units here. So these are these 5 points that we've plotted. Okay, so I've sort of color-coded them. Okay, the main thing to remember is, of course, when you move to the left, when you move to the right, when you move up, and when you move down. Okay, take special note of these 2 points here, right? If you lie on the x-axis, okay, then the y coordinate is 0, right? Because we don't move up and down at all. Similarly, if the point lies on the y-axis, right? This point right here, right? The x value is 0.